Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So alhamdulillah, last lesson we discussed the addition to Jumla Ismiya. We said Jumla Ismiya, you have subject and you have the mubtada and you have the information is a khabar. And then we said you can add what? The harfu mushabbahun bil fa'il. You can add what? You can add kana. You can add kana to the mubtada, or you can add laysa to the mubtada. And then the mubtada becomes what? Ism. And it stays as marfu', and the khabar becomes what? Mansoob. Yes? We discussed that regarding kana and laysa. Now whilst we're here, there are a few more rules we want to expand on here. We have studied in verbs that kana is a fa'lu naqis and it's madhi, in the past tense. So if you add kana, means was. If you add the negative particle ma to kana, what would it do? It would make the was what? Negative. So kana means what? So kana ar-rajulu maridun means the man is sick. You add kana, sorry, the man is sick. Kana ar-rajulu maridan, the man was sick. Ma kana ar-rajulu maridan, the man was not sick. You see? So the kana makes it negative, past tense. You add the ma, it makes it what? Not. Because ma makes all verb negative. So ma will also make the kana negative. You got it? So here, let's translate bit by bit. Ar-rajulu maridun. What does ar-rajulu maridun mean? The man is sick. Kana ar-rajulu maridan. The man was sick. And the ma kana ar-rajulu maridan was not sick. This is mubtada. This is khabar. In here, kana is fa'lu naqis. Ismu kana, khabaru kana. And the kana gives the past tense. And in here, the ma is not amil. It doesn't cause any change to the particle after it. But it gives a meaning of not. So not plus the past. So the man was not ill. You got it? And in tarkeeb, you just put the ma kana together as both as fa' naqis together in one box, one slot. Are you with me? So let's try a few examples. So, ma kanatil ummu maridatan. How do you translate this? Let's do one tarkeeb. So ma kana is what? Fa'lun naqis. Ummu is ismu kana. And maridatan is what? Khabaru kana. You see? And that means the mother was not sick. Ma kana al-anbiya'u kadhibin. Translation?
The prophets were not dishonest.
The prophets were not liars, were not dishonest. Ma kana al-aba'u kafirin. Your turn?
And the four.
Yeah. So it doesn't say fathers, it's the forefathers. The forefathers.
The forefathers were not disbelievers.
The forefathers were not disbelievers. ما كانت الطفلة صغيرة. No, قوية. Tifla, a child, female child, the baby child.
The child was not strong.
The child was not strong. Yes, you got that? Right. So far, so good. Now, one more rule. The particle ma on its own, the particle ma on its own can behave just like laysa. What does laysa do to a jumla ismiya? In meaning?
Not negative.
Negative. What does it do in terms of i'rab? It makes the ism. The ism is marfu and the khabar is? So instead of laysa, you can put ma by itself. Okay? So ma zaydun qa'iman. The same way, laysa zaydun qa'iman. You can also say ma zaydun qa'iman. What does that mean? Same as laysa. Zayd? Zayd is not standing. So zaydun qa'imun means what? Zayd is standing. Laysa zaydun qa'iman? Zayd is not standing. Another way of saying that is? Ma zaydun qa'iman. You see? And in tarkeeb, you see, ma is not, you won't call it fa'lu naqis because it's not fa'l. You just say what? This is nafiya. What do you say this is? Nafiya. Okay? You call it ma nafiya in tarkeeb. And it becomes the ism of ma, becomes the khabar of ma. Yes? Ma Muhammadun kadhiban. Translation? Muhammad not was, present tense. Muhammad is. Muhammad is not a liar. Ma Fatimatu maridatan. Fatima is not same as Laysa. Mal muluku ruhama'a. Rahimun, kind, compassionate, and ruhama, plural. So mal muluku ruhama.
The kings are not as.
If any kings watch my video, they get angry at me. You always saying al muluku zalimeen. You know, I'm always making the kings the bad people. So if any kings are watching me, I'm dead. Yeah, they did not give me any visa to their country. Okay. Mal waladani shakiran. So now it's isam. This is the ma nafiya, isam, and the khabar of ma. And this is marfu because alif noon, muthanna marfu. So the two children are not thankful. And mal muslimuna sa'imin. The Muslims are ma. Muslims are not fasting. Mal akhawatu sadiqatin. The no ikhwa. This is akhawat. Ukhtun akhawat. The sisters are. Sisters are not truthful.
For the top example on the last slide.
There's a mistake in here. Sorry, my mistake. It's mal waladani shaki raini. Mal waladani shaki raini. That's a mistake. Yes, typo. So in theory, you have kana. Kana means what? Was. You put ma kana, it means what? Was not. Laysa means is not, present tense. And ma is the same as laysa. Correct? And then the ism of kana is ma'rifah, and it's marfu', and the khabar of kana is nakira, and it's mansoob. Yes? You got it? Subhanallah bihamdi subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.